Hi guys, I'm Shrestha, and how are you guys doing? Well, I'm doing good, and today I'm gonna make a necklace out of hair ties. So they're just normal hair ties. I have normal colored ones, I have striped ones, and I even have glitter ones. So the things you'll need are hair ties. And an optional step is if you want to add a little bit of glam. I'm adding a little bow. You can add a flower or anything. Yeah, so you'll need that. And so the first step is you take your first rubber band or hair tie. And you take the second hair tie that you need. You put it on top of each other like that. You take the back, which is this one, and then pull it. So basically you keep on doing it until you get to the end, where I'll show what you do. So again, it's like this. Take the back and pull. So once you get the hang of it, you can do really fast. There. So yeah, since I'm done with this part, I'm going to do the striped part. So I'm going backwards because it's going to be a circle. So I'm just stretching it out a little bit. There. And then the pink. And then in the middle of these, I want this glitter one. So I'm just gonna add that. Oops, wrong way. There. So basically it's gonna be like this. So I'm adding this extra one so that I can connect it to this bow. Basically, for the end one, you do it differently. You do it like this, but except for the back, you take the front. So then it goes like this. But if you don't want to add anything, you can just leave it like this, and then you can just do it how you did with all the other ones. So once it's like this, I'm taking my little bow and just like adding it like that. And then I'm just twisting it around. So I'm just twisting it around like that, and then I'm just gonna pull it up. There. So then, this is, oh, my unicorn horn. So then, once you're done, it should look like this. So like this, with the bow and everything. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye!